Two brands of liquid soap are to be combined. Soap X contains 20% glycerin, while soap Y contains 35% glycerin. If the combined mixture is to be 25% glycerin, what percent of the final mixture should be soap X? You can see here 20% multiplied by X plus 35 multiplied by Y. That is the total amount of glycerin before the mixture. And after the mixture, you have 25% times the total volume. So from this, you can find the proportion of the weights. 25x plus 25y, then you go 10y equals 5x. So x over y actually is 10 over 5 or 2k over 1k. So now, what percent of final mixture should be soap X? Well, that is the volume of X divided by the mixture times 100. So if we replace the equivalences here, you have 2k over X plus Y would be 2k plus 1k, 3k times 100. K's go away, and 2/3, 200 over 3, that is 66 2/3%. So it's all about finding the proportion of the two weights.